I'm Jack. Please follow me and follow ZOLYTECH. We will try our best to share all the secrets behind the mattress production in China. And now focus on mattress machinery and also the pocket spray units. The first thing that we need to get an idea of the introduction for the pocket spray unit. Let's go. So far, pillars. Okay, so now in China, more and more fields, the furniture fields, they will choose the pocket spring. This one is for American standard pocket. This is exported to America by Amazon. Okay, now talking about the production of the pocket spring. Now let's get down to the pocket spring machinery. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the machine for assemble pocket. Then put the spring, compress position, then put into the pocket, the long local pocket. So how the pocket spring machinery make the pocket spring piece by piece from A to Z? How could they make it? Today I will show you as clearly as possible. the machine structure the whole of the place. Now, this machine makes the high temperature of the bottom screen is this one. Can you see? This machine now, we make the height is 30. Can you see? Yes. Now, after pocket, the height of this spring is 30 cm. Okay. So before pocket, how much height? Let me tell you. I'll take one. And it's can you see? So it's 40 cm. This is 40 cm. This is for American standard high compression matrix pocket spring. So before pocket, we use 40 cm height of spring. After pocket, we use 30. So this machine also could make the zone function. So he could use two different steel wire, making the spring units freely directly for special zone function. So all my friends, before pocket and after pocket, search ZOLYTECH, ZOLYTECH ZOLYTECH in our social media, especially in YouTube and Facebook and LinkedIn, and also our website. You can find me, the WeChat ID and WhatsApp ID, also very easy to find us. Please remember ZOLYTECH, ZOLYTECH ZOLYTECH, and then you could find us within 1 minute. I do promise you. So now let's get back. For this machine, how can we make these many kinds of special springs? Why? For my friends, just a quick introduction. The steel wire on this side, correct? The steel wire get the fluid to the machine. And the machine, this one here, what's this device? This device is for make the steel wire high temperature for soft purpose. Because the springs, we make springs before, we must make the steel wire soft. Then we could make it cornea more easily. So this purpose, can you understand this? Okay, all my friends. So after high temperature, and then the steel wire gets through from here to the head, the cornea head. Yes, the cornea head. Let me show you the details of the cornea. Okay. My friends, can you see? This is the cornea head. This one. So this cornea head for making the coil of the spring. So after the coil, we make the springs one piece by piece like this. And with this machine, we could make this so much high. Really, right? So it's 41 centimeters height. This spring we could make 140 pieces per minute. So this is very high speed. So this is high compression spring. We could make the speed is 140, also 150. But if for conventional spring, traditional spring, okay, the speed is double. Usually it's double, much more. So you could check with your team if you're interested in this high compression technology. But we call spring pre-high compression technology, because this is our special patent. Okay, so for this technology, it's available for your markets, or it's available for your future. Also, this is a good suggestion to all our friends. I will leave this question in our live streaming, and I'm trying to get your answer, your inquiries from our live streaming. So please follow ZOLYTECH in YouTube, and also like ZOLYTECH in Facebook and LinkedIn. I'm sure you could find the result, also the direction of your factory in the near future. I do promise you. And also, for this machine, we already have a lot of videos which talk from our custom factory, so their working performance will be much more useful and suggestions to your great company. Correct? Yes. So, my friends, if you need more information about this machine, for example, one shift, how many springs produce? One shift, how many spring units you could get? How long your staff, your engineer need to train? Okay, how many days need to train for your own people if you make such good, high efficiency production? Yes. And in China, how to calculate the cost of springs? How to pay the salary to the operator in China? So all these kind of questions belongs the pocket spring production factory. I'm waiting my best to share all the production experience in my factory. Let's grow up together. Let's look for better win-win future. Yes. So if you need a machine, mattress machine, if you need mattress accessories such as spring units, pocket spring and leg spring, both are available. And also one-stop solution for mattress production. ZOLYTECH company also could give one-stop solution. So we are waiting for you. And one more thing, we already load most of the mattress machinery working videos in youtube.com. I'm sure we already. So these videos already include spring machine, also some creative machine production line, etc. like this. Okay, now let's get back to our pocket spring machine. Okay, just now we make the introduction from here. The steel wire from outside. It will move inside to this structure. This structure is high voltage distance, low electricity for safety. So this structure could make high temperature for safety purpose of the steel wire before coiling. So after high temperature, after safety purpose, the steel wire will go to the coil head. Yes, the coil head is here. This is the coil head. So the coil head will make the spring. The spring. Now this is pure spring, not pocket, correct? Yes, piece by piece. The speed is more than 140 pieces per minute. And then after spring, making the spring, this is a magnetic device. You see? You see? Right. So for catch, for fix the springs automatically. You see? Yes. Magnetic, correct? Device. This is the magnetic device. Yes. For fix the position steadily, and then transit to the next step procedure. The next step procedure is where? Is make compress. So compression procedure is here. Here we have V-shaped structure for compression of the springs. So before making the compression, we already use one big fan, cool down the temperature because it's very hot, correct? After coiling, yes, it's very hot. So we have one big fan to cool down the temperature before make compress. So why we need to make compress? Also, this is a good question. Yes, correct? The suitable temperature at the same time to make compression, and then go to the next procedure, that is pocket, no woven pocket. The next station, let me show you. fixed, very stable, correct? Very strong. You see, it's firmer. Yes, we use this technology. Catch the spring. Go to next procedure, and at the same time, cool down the temperature. If the temperature is very high, it will be damage the pocket easily, because this is non-woven, correct? So this is polyester fiber raw materials. This is non-woven fabric. Yes. So before pocket, the compressed spring will get it through from here. Very short after compression, and then get the through from here. And this is the ultrasonic device for what? For pocket. Yes, for non-woven pockets. So this is the non-woven. Can you see? This is the non-woven. We use ultrasonic device to make the pocket, non-woven pocket. The first thing is in the middle position, and then the spring will get inside, and then this structure for cross welding. You see, vertical welding and horizontal welding. Yes. All my friends, can you see here? This device here have ultrasonic mold. So what is the theory? What is the theory of the ultrasonic working theory? This is another question to all our friends. If you're interested, okay. So this is cross lecture welding for final procedure of the pocket. So this is already the second welding, and this is the first welding. You see, the first welding for pocket, and then put the spring inside, and then cross weld for finish the pocket spring piece by piece. Okay, all my friends, I hope you could get a general idea about my explanation for the pocket spring production. Yes. So, if you need more information about the structure details, and also the machine working videos, this search ZOLYTECH, ZOLYTECH ZOLYTECH, in social media, especially in YouTube, in Facebook, in Google, in LinkedIn. I promise to you that within 1 minute, you could find out. If you remember ZOLYTECH name, especially in YouTube, please follow ZOLYTECH and like ZOLYTECH in Facebook. Then you will get a lot of mattress production information from China, from a customer's factory, day by day in the near future. All my friends, I hope you could understand clearly. Yes. So all my friends, there is a lot of question. The question is, in your factory, in your country and factory, for making the pocket spring units, what is the biggest complicated problem or difficulties for you? This is my question to you. You could tell me. I will try my best to share different solutions to you. I do promise. Yes. All my friends, I'm Jack. I work for mattress machinery more than 20 years. Follow me, follow Jack, and follow ZOLYTECH. Here, ZOLYTECH. ZOLYTECH, ZOLYTECH. I will share all the secrets as much as I can, which is based in Chinese mattress production industry. Okay? Yes. Why? What's the Chinese? Why? It's made in China, number one. We have almost the best, stronger, the most stronger and the greatest chain supply in this field in the world. I do promise to you. Correct? Yes. Yes. So, all my friends, today I asked more than 4 questions to all our friends. We are waiting for you here. So today I'll read off this machine for more clear of my voice. All my friends, and also you could leave me a message if you need more, if you need extra information or all the mattress machinery informations. Please leave your message in the comments, and we will get back to you as clearly and as quickly as possible. We have a very strong team here for servicing your great company. Yes. Okay, all my friends. Today, I already made a general introduction about the pocket spring production procedures, correct? Yes. So, the final product is pocket spring units, not pocket spring. This is pocket spring, correct? Yeah. But it's not a pocket spring unit. The pocket spring units also be called mattress core. So mattress core, there are many kinds, correct? Nail spring core, pocket spring core, foam spring core, Netex spring core, Netex core, like this for mattress production, correct? Yes. So, how to make the pocket spring units from pocket spring? That is a sample machine, which is professional for assembling the pocket blocks by blocks by ultimate glue. Yes. Now, let me show you. Hello, there are a lot of friends is watching our live streaming. Thank you very, very much for sharing the time, the happy time together with ZOLYTECH and also together with Jack ZOLYTECH. And thank you very much, Alian. Also, thank you very much, Gemma. And also, thank you very much, Martin and Halit and Eshka. Thank you very much. And also, Mr. Said. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching ZOLYTECH live streaming and always together with me. And we have we shared a very valuable time together. Thank you very much. So now I need to continue to make my live streaming. I will try my best to share the production experience, the production factory life as much as I can. Okay, and here, okay, so the pocket spring, okay, its legs down the simple machine, correct or not? Yes. So our simple machine could make one simple machine could drive 3 or 4 sets pocket spring machine. We call it 1 drag 3 or 1 drag 4. Yes. So what is the real of the assemble machine? Look. Let me show you. Hello, my friends. Can you see? Rocket. 1, 2, 3. Look, this much power. 3 marks, 3D mark, correct? Yes. 3D pocket spring turner. We could like this, okay, not a mark. Okay, can you see? So, one time, the simple machine will finish one big ball, 4 blocks. No, pocket spring blocks like this. This is 1 block, right? Yes, this is small one. Usually, it's about 2 meters. 2 meters blocks. So each one time, we could finish 1 pocket spring blocks. So the speed is very fast. Okay, and here we have 1 sensor. You will check how many pieces. When there's 1 light, there's 1 ultrasonic light. Cut 1 block by block. And then the next procedure, that is for enhancing by heartbeat. So there's 1 automatic device and automatic blue solution. Correct? Yes, all my friends. So all my friends, if you are interested in the simple machine, you need more information. Please follow ZOLYTECH in YouTube and like ZOLYTECH in Facebook and find Jack and ZOLYTECH in YouTube. I'm sure you could find more information about the both machines. For how to use this machine, what is the working performance of this assemble machine? Let's look for tomorrow's better live streaming from Mr. Jack. Please, see you next time. Okay? And tomorrow is our Chinese holiday. It's Dragon Boat holiday. We have 3 days. So the next time I will show this machine to you. That is next Monday. So next Monday, after our Chinese traditional holiday is Dragon Boat holiday. So see you in next Monday. ZOLYTECH live stream is always together with you. Always. Be there, be square. Be here. See you next Monday. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.